Hey, it's Dave Conklin with Conklin Media. I just want to take a moment to give you the 5-second tour, so to speak, of Conklin Media and what we do. So we're just going to go through the homepage of our website so you can kind of get an idea for yourself of what Conklin Media is all about. So to get started, I want to share this really neat tool we have. It's a site audit tool. You can put in your website or any landing page on your website, a keyword phrase that you'd like to rank for in Google, put your email address into this box and then hit scan now. And it's actually going to create a really awesome PDF that breaks down all these details of things that you may not have even known were wrong with your website or that need fixed or repaired or could be better. And you can then hand that off to someone, one of your developers or designers, and you can have them implement those items. Or if you are of the type that likes to do that sort of thing yourself, you can of course do that, or give us a call and we can answer any questions about it. It's a really helpful tool, really neat. Hope you like it. So to talk about Conklin Media specifically, we have been in this industry for about 17 years. We have helped companies of all sizes to lower costs, to increase their sales, generate leads, utilizing things that are in the digital marketing sphere. So through that experience, we've learned that there's about 5 really important kind of factors to consider. And we go over those in this 9-minute video. You can play this video, and then there's a PDF utilized in the video to explain things. And you can actually download that PDF to your computer or your phone right here using this link. So there are 6 kind of core disciplines that we really focus a lot of our stuff on. We do more than just this, but these are kind of the core foundation of what we do. So first off, we do site design. We do more things other than site design. We also design logos and brochures and things like that. However, our website design is key because this kind of becomes the hub for all of the other things that we do online with social media, with lead generation, with search engine optimization. The website's kind of that core thing. So we build really beautiful websites. The way we do it is super unique because you get to actually see the site that you're buying before you buy it. It's kind of neat how we do that. And that website, again, it's mobile friendly, all those things. And that's a core piece of, again, what we do. Lead generation is a huge part of what we do as well. Everything that we design and do is focused on generating a phone call or a lead for your sales team or a sale on the site. We don't do anything at all that isn't geared to push people toward that lead generation piece. The third thing is real social media. Now, the reason I say real is a lot of people think that social media means that you're just updating a Facebook page. We go a lot further than that. We want to create and engage a community on social media for your business and then actually get them to send other people to your website. We want to get them to become fans of your brand, and we want to really help people in your social media network, to engage with you and then hopefully in the future become clients. Search engine optimization. This is a core thing that we've done for years. Google is constantly changing the landscape of how they rank websites, what they feel is important. So our job is to stay on top of best practices and make sure that we're constantly working with your marketing team to engage in activities with your website and with other websites to make sure that Google and the other search engines are always considering your website to be authoritative. We help people through the ups and downs of the algorithm changes and things like that as well. It's kind of neat having us on your side. Paid search marketing, this is pay-per-click or AdWords or Bing Ad Center, those different things. We can manage your pay-per-click campaigns and make sure that we're always optimizing for the keywords that actually generate revenue. We love actually starting our search engine optimization strategies with paid search because we get to see which keyword phrases actually turn into leads and phone calls and sales. And that's really helpful data when you're deciding on spending money on things like link building and stuff like that. Paid social media, this is where you utilize the social networks like LinkedIn, if you're in the B2B world especially, or Facebook or Twitter or Instagram, and you're actually creating paid ad campaigns that generate clicks to your website and then hopefully leads. And we manage those things as well. So this is kind of the core of what we do. Now let's talk about credibility for a minute. Our leadership team, including myself, has been in Inc. Magazine's Inc. 500 list 2 different times. We've been involved in companies actually that have been in many, many more times than that. And we've been the choice of event managers to represent the marketing world at large conferences all over the world in 3 different countries. And we have actually helped more than 550 companies now to grow their businesses using digital marketing. Our team has a lot of different certifications, including the ones that you see here from Digital Marketer and HubSpot and Google and many others. So we do have those certifications behind us as well. So testimonials, if that's something that you're looking for, we have a few here. There are many more. You can actually go to daveconklin.org as well and see a lot of different testimonials from events and things. And we've worked with some really amazing, solid companies that are both publicly traded and smaller. So there's 3 different ways to kind of get started with Conklin Media. Number one, a lot of our companies that are in the $5 to $250 million a year range tend to pick our custom marketing strategy development, consulting, and training. And the reason they do is because they already have an existing marketing team, and we come in and kind of help guide that team, lead some brainstorming sessions with that team. You know your business, and we know digital. A lot of your team may know your business and digital. However, we often bring kind of an outside viewpoint into the room and really can create some amazing outside of the box thinking situations. And then we can do training and work with your teams on a monthly basis to make things happen. Companies like Park Assist and Armstrong and others have utilized this with us in the past. And then there's site design and redesign and maintenance. Now this is basically developing websites and then maintaining those websites. So if you're in need of a redesign or you're in need of designing a website for a new product line or a new business, this is where things kind of start out there. And then we can maintain that site over the course of time to make sure that, it's constantly staying updated and things. Then there's done for you marketing. This is where we actually do services like you can hire us just to do SEO or just to do pay-per-click management. And our job then becomes making sure that we are always on top of things and that we are growing your growth charts up and to the right at all times in the best way possible. So we manage a lot of lead gen campaigns, search engine optimization campaigns, link building campaigns, and stuff like that for our customers. So those are the three different areas. Basically, if you have a need in the marketing world, we're here to help your business. And the one thing that we feel it's really important that we talk about is the mobile first focus. So we make sure that everything that we do, whether it is making sure that a website, has an API with Facebook and it's instant articles friendly, or the code that is on a website, being optimized, making the decision. Actually, this is one important thing. AMP is something that's talked about here, and Google actually has a thing called AMP where you install this special code. It creates a new version of your site, but the problem with that is you can't always make it look as nice as what you would want on your site. So sometimes it's actually not a good idea to do it. Other times it's very important. So we help navigate all those crazy discussions and decisions that business leaders aren't thinking about because you're involved in your business. So we stay on top of things from a marketing angle to make sure that, everything's good to go. But this whole section, what it's really all about is the fact that, well over 50% of traffic is now mobile. People are making decisions on their mobile phones. And if your website isn't mobile friendly, then you're going to have a bit of a challenge there. So that's it. You can get in touch with us via this information right here, sending an email to hello@conklinmedia.com, calling 866-933-8920, filling out this form or any other way, and we will get back to you very quickly, and we can get a conversation started about your business.